we are almost close to our stay. So we are in Kelagur. So this is the Kelagur tea estates. So this is the way to our stay. And the roads are not that great, but the roads are not that bad, but yeah, it's manageable. At those tea estates. It started raining again. It was actually sunny. So guys, made it to the stay. I have a new friend here. Hi. So guys, this is this view from the stay. And this is the main place. And yeah, we reached at around 2:30. So we'll have some lunch and then we'll go to the room. I'll show you guys around in a bit. Time for lunch. And this is some steamed rice noodles and some chicken gravy. And mom and dad have already started to eat. So guys, made it to the room. I changed and freshened up. So we had lunch and so we just wanted to chill in the homestay itself, not doing much. And it's a very beautiful weather. So the room is very basic. So we three are sharing one room. So that's the loop, and it's a tile roofed and it's really cozy. It's cozy and nice in this weather. So we also have a small balcony that we have access to, and yeah, it's a nice place actually. So mom and dad are just chilling by. Dad is enjoying this weather, and so yeah. So this is kind of the terrace that we have from our room. Let me just take you to the best part here, man. So yeah. So this is the best spot of this day. So that's the parking, and so these are the few balconies that you have access. I think you can take a walk. So you can take a walk across this whole lot, and the view 360 degrees is next level. So these are the tea estates here, and this place is called Megur Homestay, and if you Google it you will get it. So you don't have to worry about me adding the location and forgetting it. So I thought I'll just head out, just take a walk around here. So just trying to get the umbrella. It's still raining. I hope you guys can see that. And I don't know, this place is my next level, dude. Also, I got bit by a leech earlier. I got bit by a leech there. So yeah, I'm trying to be a bit careful, because you never know where the leeches are. Okay, I'm just here to take the umbrella. My mom wanted to take a walk. Okay. So I've become like a ninja, full stealthy, and look at that. So we still have plans of going out, but since it's raining, we're just waiting for the rain to reduce. It's around 4, and this is the current state here. It's raining, and once it reduces a little, right? So there are few places nearby, like a small waterfall and everything. We just want to go play around. So we'll finish that and maybe come back, and I don't think we can even do put a bonfire here because of the rain. So yeah, if it reduces later on, we'll have a bonfire somewhere. I don't know where, but yeah, there should be a bonfire somewhere here. And I don't know, I can't get over that view, man. Next level view. So guys, it's not gonna stop raining, so I'm just like few meters away from the homestay. And like I said, 1 second. Like I said, we stay very close to tea estates here, so I just thought I'll go for a small drive and see what's around. But yeah, the rain didn't stop, and my parents don't want to get down for it's too much rain. So I don't know if you can see, there are roads down there and there is a small town there, and I mean it's like a painting that someone would draw, man. I mean, no words, absolutely no words. I think the day went really well. So we went to a couple of temples and then came here. So it was a good productive day, and cars all dirty, and just enjoying this view here. And I'm so glad GoPro is waterproof. I took some nice pictures. Again, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go follow. You'll know what's Rakesh up to actually. Okay, I'll see you guys. So I just got an update that it's not gonna stop raining today. I mean, it's gonna rain the whole night, so good for me. Coffee. Feels weird to have coffee while looking at tea estates. Someone has to do it, right? Nana irundittu porane. That's nice. I'm not bored of this view. I don't care if you guys are. I'm not bored. I'm gonna show more of this. Because I'm stuck here because it's gonna rain the whole night. So guys, since we cannot go out because it's raining, I just decided to put my phone on the gimbal and get a nice time lapse of the location. So you see that in 3, 2, 1. Time is 6:50 and it finally stopped raining, and me and mom decided to take a walk around the estate. So yeah, this place is beautiful. I think you would have seen the drone shots by now, and this place is awesome. Just check this place out. Mummy, if you guys are wondering where my dad is, he can't take cold, so he's put on 3-4 rugs and he slept off. So it's just me and mom just taking a walk. Sakadagide, friends. I'm so happy that it stopped raining, man. I really don't like sitting in one place. So yeah, so I was taking few drone shots. Mom saw the whole surrounding, and she was very happy. So yeah, you guys would have already seen the drone shot, I guess. And mind you, it's almost 7 o'clock and there is so much light. Trust me, it's not the GoPro's night capacity or anything. It's just that it's too bright for. Yeah, it's too bright for 7 o'clock. And I'm wearing a very wrong footwear for the task. Let me just get onto the path. Mom is full excited. She's just walking. Oh, 11. Sunset. Whoa. Crazy sunset ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಮ್ಮ, ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಾತ್ ಇದೆ. ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಾರು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ತುಂಬ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಬಾ. ಹಾಂ, ಸಖತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. Dinner is served.